The 2026 John Deere 2025R is here to redefine what compact utility tractors can do, blending premium engineering with practical functionality that fits the needs of small farms, landscaping professionals, and property owners alike. At first glance, the design immediately communicates strength and reliability. The iconic John Deere green is accented with sharp, modern detailing, while the compact frame makes it maneuverable in tight spaces without sacrificing capability. This is a machine that looks ready to work as hard as you do. Under the hood, the 2026 2025R is powered by a responsive diesel engine that delivers consistent torque and fuel efficiency. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth, precise control, whether you are mowing, hauling, or doing loader work. Paired with four-wheel drive and a well-balanced chassis, this tractor can confidently take on challenging terrain and variable weather conditions. The power is there when you need it, but the handling remains light and intuitive, making long workdays less tiring. Operator comfort has seen a noticeable upgrade in the 2026 model. The seating position is ergonomic, with improved cushioning and adjustable settings that make a big difference for extended use. Controls are placed within easy reach, and the dash layout is clean and simple, so you can focus on the task at hand instead of searching for buttons. The power steering is incredibly responsive, reducing the effort needed for tight turns or delicate maneuvers. Visibility has also been improved with an optimized hood design and strategically placed lighting, so work can continue safely even after the sun goes down. Versatility remains one of the strongest qualities of the John Deere 2025R. The mid and rear PTO options open up a wide range of attachments, from mowing decks to snow blowers and tillers. The quick attach loader system makes switching between tools fast and straightforward, minimizing downtime. With a lift capacity that's generous for its size, you can move soil, mulch, gravel, or other materials with ease. Whether it's landscaping, property maintenance, or light agricultural tasks, the 2026 2025R adapts to the job without compromise. Durability has always been a hallmark of John Deere machines, and this model is no exception. The 2025R's frame and components are built with high-grade materials designed to withstand years of demanding work. The sealed electrical connections and reinforced hydraulic lines are there to ensure reliability in all conditions. Serviceability is straightforward too, with easy access points for routine maintenance, keeping your tractor running at its best without unnecessary hassle. Fuel economy is another standout factor. The 2026 engine tuning strikes a great balance between power and efficiency, allowing for longer operation on a single tank while reducing operating costs. This is especially valuable for those who use their tractor daily or across larger properties. Combined with John Deere's proven reputation for long-term dependability, it means you're investing in a machine that will continue delivering value year after year. From a safety standpoint, the ROPS structure, seatbelt system, and stable wheelbase all contribute to operator protection. The braking performance is solid and predictable, even on slopes or in wet conditions. For those working around residential areas or tight job sites, the tractor's compact footprint means less risk of unintentional damage while still offering enough muscle to get the job done. The 2026 John Deere 2025R isn't just a work tool, it's a productivity partner. It blends power, comfort, and